The Dalal Street markets ended with marginal losses, but that doesn't tell you the entire story. Shares in Shanghai posted their biggest fall in 5 weeks, tanking over 3%. That spooked the Nifty, which tumbled midday, but managed to recover and defend the 8250 mark. Ditto story for the Sensex. It lost just about 20 points. Midcaps are bucking the trend for the last 2 days, but today they also ended with marginal losses. Anuj Singhal joining us to wrap up today's market action. Anuj, over to you.
Well, minor profit booking after a non-stop rally. So there was a bit of a China scare, because of which the market fell quite a bit. But there was buying at lower levels, which saw the market come back to the middle point of the low and high of the day. But banks are dragging the market, especially ICICI Bank, and that remains the problem point. So let's talk about the stocks that drag the markets. Clearly, banks on top. ICICI Bank was the chief drag. Apart from that, you had SBI and PNB as well, which were lower in trade. Some other nifty losers included stocks like Dr. Reddy's, Larsen and Toubro, and Asian Paints. L&T in particular was weak, about 1.5%. Dr. Reddy's because there's another entrant for Nexium generic now. In terms of gainers, Infosys was the chief contributor for the bulls. That stock was up 1%. Bajaj Auto Post numbers up 3%, and Bharti was up 3% as well. Metal stocks did well. That was interesting. On a day China fell, you had Vedanta, Tata Steel, Hindalco all higher in trade. And finally, onto the mid-caps then. Hindustan Construction, Bajaj Hindustan, Escorts. In fact, sugar stocks have seen quite a bit of gains off late, so that continued. And some more gainers, on the losing side today included Federal Bank post numbers down 12%, Shrey Infra was down 5%, and Shriram Transport was down about 4%. So all in all, a mixed day, but you'll have to say that the bulls are still in control of this market, though today was a bit of a scare.